how you can unlink your social clubs account from your Epic Games account. Now before I start, if you're new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you never miss out on our future videos. Now let us start. First, just open up any web browser. Any web browser is fine, and after you open it, go to your socialclubs.rockstarsgames.com. Now let it load for a sec, and after it loads up, you will need to log into it. Now make sure that you're logged into it, and after you're logged into it, you will have to just go to its support right here. Now go to support, it's right here guys. You can see I'm logged into my account. You can go to help too, help and support from right here. It's the same thing, but after you go to support, you will face this interface right here. Now you can expand this too. You can see all of the things that are linked to your social club. Now after this, what you'll have to do is you'll have to go to your account support. Now after going to account support, what you'll have to do is you need to go to Rockstar Games account. Now don't confuse this about your Rockstar Games. Previously, Rockstar Games and Social Club used to be different, but now they are one. It's called Rockstar Games account now. So we'll just continue now. After you're on account support, go to account linking, and under account linking, you will have to enter your PSN online ID or anything that ID that you have, and put in a description. Now under description, you will have to type in your social club's ID and also your Epic Games ID. And after you add both of them in, you'll have to just type in and say I want to unlink my social club and account and my Epic Games account. And after you do this, make sure you slightly elaborate this and write something along this line. And after you do that, don't forget to add your ID, that is your social club's ID and your Epic Games ID. And after you do that, just you can even upload a PNG or any JPG file, and then just send your submit your web ticket, and they will contact you back and they will help you unlink your accounts. So that is pretty much it guys. That is how you unlink your social club's account with your Epic Games account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to like our video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.